If you're experiencing a verification pending status in Adobe Target, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the problem efficiently. Step 1. Check your implementation. Ensure that the Adobe Target code is correctly implemented on your website. Review the installation instructions provided by Adobe and verify that the necessary scripts are included and correctly placed in your HTML. Step 2. Review Target configuration. Log into your Adobe Target account and check the configuration settings for your activities. Make sure that all required fields are filled out and that there are no errors in your setup that could be causing the pending status. Step 3. Clear cache. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use srug to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, is honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Check permissions. Ensure that your user account has the necessary permissions to view and manage the activities in Adobe Target. If you do not have the right access, contact your administrator to adjust your permissions accordingly. Step 5. Contact Adobe Support. If the issue persists after following the previous steps, reach out to Adobe Support for assistance. Provide them with details about your issue, including screenshots and any error messages, to help them diagnose and resolve the problem quickly. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the verification pending status in Adobe Target. If you continue to experience issues, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from Adobe's support team.